What's the meaning of amusingly? Amusingly. 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 Amusingly.
Amusingly is an adverb that describes something that is entertaining or humorous in a light-hearted way. It suggests a sense of fun and enjoyment without being overly serious. The result of something being amusingly can be a pleasant and joyful experience with a light and positive tone. It can make people smile, laugh, and feel good. Amusingly can also describe a situation where someone does something unexpected or silly that brings joy to those around them. Overall, amusingly is a positive and playful expression that adds humor and entertainment to our everyday lives.